you have questions about the design process and how that works, my name is Dan Smith, and I'm in the Murfreesboro sales model for Honest Abe Log Homes. We do things a little differently. We're a manufacturing company, and as far as the design process goes, we have a catalog with our standard plans. I tell people that's just a starting point. I've been here for over 20 years, and I've only had one customer build a house just like it was out of the catalog. What I try to do with customers is show them different pieces of different plans, find out how they're going to use the house, ask them, where do you drink your coffee, where do you watch TV, where do you read, where are the best views from, for your property, and then we can design the home around that. So, if you're on a lake lot and the designs or the better views off the back, then we could put a big glass gable, porches off the back, do something, simple in the front, because you're not spending much time there. That's not a problem. So, I would design the house around your views and, what the property allows. But, with the design process, you can take different portions of different plans. You can change roof lines, you can change the windows, you could add porch, you could take porch away. We have designers in-house, so we can draw your blueprints for what you're looking for. I've done a little bit of everything over the years. Also, I've had customers come in and say, well, what's the smallest that you offer? That's a question that we get a lot. And I tell people that you don't want the smallest that we've done, because I've actually done an 11 by 11 playhouse at a bed and breakfast. So we can do anything from that to, I've got a duck hunting lodge that's going on right now, so we can do that, anything in between. So the design is really up to you. We'll sit down and work through all that process and come up with, the best option for the customer. That's what we try to do here. So it's not a cookie cutter design process, even though we do have a standard catalog. That's just a starting point. So, you can take it and go from there. If you are looking to start the design process, you can give us a call, send us an email. Our contact information is listed. And we can set up an appointment. We can go through all those things. We can just kind of talk through the process. We can talk about your property, we can talk about designs, we can talk about what you're wanting to incorporate into the house. So that's never a problem, and it gives us a good opportunity to meet with you one-on-one and get a better idea of what you're wanting to do. Our contact information is listed below. We'd love to hear from you and help you however we can.